Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We'll continue our discussion on images. Today we'll talk about image as a link, and we'll try to create image map, and then we will see how we can define hotspots on that image. At the end, we have a topic of favicon and touch icons. We won't be discussing today because this is not supported by Windows Google Chrome or Windows Internet Explorer. You need tablets or Android device for that. So let's see how we can use image as an image map. Now, if you look at our website, this website, if I just refresh my page, I can see my image on the top, but this image is not a link. So I'm on my rooms page, okay, and I want to go to the home, but with the help of this image. So let's see how we can make this image as a map. So in my rooms, I have a header, and a header has this image. Now, how to convert this image into a link? So very simple. Just use anchor and say href is equal to index.html and close the image, close the anchor here. That's it. So if you just refresh the page, now it is not a link, but when you refresh the page, it will become a link, and you click on that, it takes you to the index.html. Now we go back to the room, and now the next step is let's see what is the next step. Next step is to create an image map. Okay, so for image map we need image and map. Okay, two things we need, and we will create image map before the read room. Before the read room we will try to create the image map. Now this is my read room heading 3. So before that I need to create image map. So first we need image, and then we'll talk about map. So image source is equal to images slash, I have the name of my image map is imagemap.png, portable network graphic, and then I can say what else is there. Alternate text is nothing, so we don't need to define alternate text here. We need to say use map, which map you want to use. So for that matter, I have to say rooms map. This is a name which you can give by yourself. And by the way, it should be having a pound sign because this is. So that's it. At the end, if you want to say alt is equal to nothing, no problem. We can continue our previous habit. So if I just go up there and I click on that, now I got the link here, image here. This is one image. If you see here, this is just one image. Now what I will do is, for this area I will make it for the read room, for this area I'll make it for the sunroom, and this is for the tree house. And we'll see how we can go for these different shapes. We can make the links for these different shapes. So now I clicked on that, nothing happened, nothing happened, nothing happened. So let's go and create the map. So for the map I need a map tag, and in this one I'm going to say the name of the map is this rooms map, the one which I define here. So this is the rooms map, and now I'm working for the rectangle, the first one. So I'll say shape is equal to rectangle, and then we have coordinates. So quads is equal to, I have to specify the coordinates, you know, the xy from the top and xy from the bottom. So for that matter, I have opened this image into my paint. Now you just keep watching on this status bar. So when I move my cursor on the top in the left corner, you see I got 3520 or 3420, whatever you like. So I can say 3420. Okay, and now I want to go for the other corners on the bottom, and this is my 162.209. So 162, 209. Okay, now And then I have to say href is equal to, where you want to go? I want to go to the read room. I have the tag for that one. And that's it. If you want to specify all, you can specify all as well, no problem. Read room. Now I have to close this map. Let me refresh the page. And now if I move my cursor, I didn't get the map. So there is some error in this part. So let me see. Okay, I have to close this one here, and I have to say area tag shape is equal to rectangle coordinate, and the room is this one. Okay, go back, refresh the page, and now if I move, you see that it comes on that. So if I click, it goes up there. But if I click here, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. But only on this part, this is the hyperlink. Now let's decide for this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna say is, in this part I'll say area shape is equal to polygon. Polygon has many sides, so the quads is equal to, and href is equal to sun. This is pound sign sun. By the way, these are available, these tags are available, we have created in the previous example. You see here somewhere, you see here id is equal to read. Okay, and similarly we are having somewhere other as well. Id is equal to tree, and id is equal to sun. You see that we are already having. So let's define this. This is sun. And now alternate text, if you want to define, you say sun room and close it. Now let's go for the coordinate. Again, for coordinate, I need the help of my paint. So I can start with this corner. What is that? This is 186, 105. Okay, I can go up there and I can say one more time. 186, okay, 184, 100. 184, 100. The next is this part at the bottom. 184, 182. 184, 182. Then we have this corner. 335, 180. 335, comma 180, comma, and then we can go up there. This is 334, 102. 334, 102. And the last one is this one. 260, 55. 260, 55. And the last one will automatically join this part. Okay, so we don't have to worry about this one. Now let me save it, and let's go and refresh the page. Now in this part, if you see, if I move my cursor here, you see that now it is going to the sunroom as well. But this is still not done. So let's go and work on the last one. So again, area is equal to, area shape is equal to circle, chords is equal to this, and href is equal to tree, and alt is equal to nothing. So what is the coordinates? So we will start from the middle. So let's go and have a paint again. Now in the paint, I'll go for the middle part. This is like 418, 122. Okay, 418, 122. So 418, 122. So this is the middle, and now I can move my cursor on the top. So this is 418, 57. So I'll just pick 57, okay, because I already 418 is this one, and 57. So I'll pick the 57. This is my radius. So that's it. Now I can just go to the website. I can refresh the page. Okay, and now if I click on this one, it is there. Click on this one, it is there. And I click on this one, you see that it is there. Now 57, maybe it is little bit less. So why not we can make it a little bit more. But anyway, I click on that, it will take me to the tree house. Oh, it didn't find the tree. Maybe I didn't put the pound sign. So refresh the page again, and I can go for the tree. You see that tree house is there. So this is how you created the image map. Now let's see what we have the next. So we did the sunroom and we did the circle as well. And now let's talk about formatting. So what I want to do is, for this image, if you see here on this image, is not in the middle. Okay, if I just minimize the size, you see it's not in the middle, it is in the left side. So I want to make it in the middle. So for that matter, what I will do is I can go to my this style sheet, and in this one I will say, okay, where is my image map? Image map is available in article. Okay, and then I want to align center, so I cannot align a center to this image. I can align paragraph. So what I can do is I can just make it like a paragraph, and in this one I say class is equal to, maybe you can say image map. Okay, and in this one I'm going to say article has a paragraph, and the paragraph has an image map class. So this one I want the paragraph to be text align middle. So that is what I'm just trying to make it into middle. So I'm making paragraph into the middle, but since the image is the part of paragraph, so it will also go to the middle. So let's go and refresh the page, and you see that it comes in the middle. So this is done, and now what we can do is we have, okay, so I want to give this image a border. So I'm gonna say article p.image map. Okay, in this image map I have an image tag. Okay, so this image tab I want to make the border how much? 5 pixels, so I can at least clearly see solid and black. Semicolon. Now if I just refresh it, now you see that I got a border of 5 pixels, and that's it. Now, so let's see what is the next. Okay, favicon. This is not available, so what you can do is you can create a link. Okay, this will be in the head of the HTML document. So same link you have for the style sheet, same link you have for these favicon or touch icons. You can practice by yourself. And that's it for today. Kafara majlis. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.